America, DC United, Kotoko, Meno Kase, A2 Kotoko International Airport, or the Nani Edre, America, say the game ready. To say the Enra, the reports by say game no air basso, of course, game no air basso. Now afterwards, no was a Kotoko say re-application be place 2 or more dear, the amount, it's the Saka Dauda and then Peter Amiduaga. So in total, no, it is going to be 9 players and now A2 from Ghana, Kotoko International Airport, any actually DC United for this important and this monumental, monumental, but importance for this all important game. Why intia Kotoko ni amprese chinchina game we obebo intia ya the details kakra ebebro na amafo so blame Kumasi Asante Kotoko because of amafo kaze it is kind of disrespect in there but no ho so nsem no adekrota delays ne ba no be the munchiremu no ebebro ewo efie ha say yes now and now we catch on the match at Kumasi Asante Kotoko. The greatest club Ghana has said. On say, this is not to disrespect the current team of Richmond Lamptey, but until recently, Richmond Lamptey be free Ghana. One say no about Kotoko. Abra no about Kotoko no. Obviously. Now Richmond Lamptey in your Black Stars color, but and then call APR hono. You ask yourself, say, call up nearby and what to say Richmond Lamptey a friend. What to say a friend? No. And obet me Asha hono abobo be a warriors. Abobo power, but it will be hardly for him to be recognized our Black Stars. And no, he speak to the point to say Kotoko, Sawo Kotokora Boboa, Ubonia, you are going to be recognized and you are going to be Ubenya benefits, no? You are going to reap every benefit. You are going to reap it. Yes, that's Asante Kotoko. Kumasi Asante Kotoko, former player back home. A friend of Oxman Bashiru Gambu, or Kotoko Pewe, or Boase Boy, or in Simbia Tuya. In relation with Obo Kotoko. According to him, I say Obo Kotoko now body ya. You enjoy forever. And that's a factor. We have to reiterate this particular and drum this message to Kotoko current generation of players Obo Hono. Because Kumasi Asante Kotoko te said yadano na Eric Bekwe kanu. Yembebo yesum inti uba na o you awesome club no so awesome club na ti say the awesome bibi no club no ebe ma onioma emfa so bebere what I say so Kumasi Asante Kotoko players emie masum na muntie na mumfanya adwuma the Ghana Football Association menya nentie say what's the currently TV stations are ye broadcast rights unofficial and I say ex-official we to put in any form because it is not official say or more it is not on documents say they are the TV right holders omoye autonomous but a GFA no and game na ye no almost say ye game through omo platforms no so can you imagine say if it's anything official and games no and clubs no are supposed to get something from the games no so say we tell bia no eba ehianti ase de bia say otufo dankopon emani panti ase Ghana Football Association say state omu no den kakra because start time no world established TV organization and I said broadcast company. It has a broadcast company Your TV stations bebree wɔ Ghana ha. They are not full-fledged broadcast company. They are just running the TV station. They make sure what I say. See, as a broadcast company, you are broadcasting live streams, live games. And before you do that, I will say you have to be resourceful. Over Ghana TV stations, they are not resourceful enough to give a top-notch coverage for the Ghana Premier League. And we say Star Times or Star Times, global in terms of resources. Star Times, it is a brand Star Times in Ghana League. We could see say, and I say you could bear me out say, the coverage was standard, but unfortunately, these 5 stations and also 4 stations are abedi or more, which are Alpha, Vision, Metro TV, Globe TV, and Globe, and yes, more neji. Now, OSR TV stations, they are not much resources in terms of giving a live coverage. Information I mean, can say the Ghana Football Association, after the backlash in the media, they are contemplating to strike another deal. And no be permanent. Then they take acquire temporary. What I say, acquire temporary this thing. Umuyi ama obiye biahe and sikabiani. And me call baby a chini jinem and I GF for no day adena koma TV station and no move streaming and a clubs ni enyahwe. For the supporter, for the Ghana Premier League fan, football fan. Se Ghana Premier League be koso. Na Premier League na koso no. Enkoka match venue honko a. Enti TV stations why already see mu be here. Mumbra na munye dey mumbeyi games no na amanfo enya bi nhwe before see e be strike a real time partnership agreement with a broadcast company. But until then no ye league no enti ye league a ye bogu kwa no, it will be better off say TV stations ye dem betima ya agreement no mumbra on board na mumbeyi league no. That's it. It's when you are there, and I think say it is quite a laudable idea. If by this time you have bought game 5, and a game no need TV so, and a game no obianya binhwe match venue Hong Kong na games ne car in Ghana for ankasa backlash no I beba no will be much more serious even than backlash we about for as a coverage in India. Meaning Ghana for just imagine say ya share league say ni league TV station be any league and no will be more damning and the consequences will have been more rueful. So and no consequence would have been more serious and harsh and mean who the words are mean you this particular moment. And the idea before the year, they are more sikasepia because local TV stations, excuse me for my words, they are not much resources. They are not much resourceful to get the money. $1 million and I say dollars or the Abema Ghana Football Association said, Monjemo Kochema clubs no. A quiet impromptu idea. And no far no take key decision. It's no. Yenya botre pa somebody e kan yenya botre now back to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Following DC United game ni yebeko yenyako. But sauti e chira memblemi Kotoko sa to the point say amount for ekasa then they get emotional then the referee no ho na or kassetia Kumasi Asante Kotoko current management and as a current your friend say omo rani Kumasi Asante Kotoko no mpanyifo na rani Kotoko no na pinkramo e na rani Kotoko currently enti uko kase obi nim de oya it is going to be an indictment. And say Kotoko no, it is mainly run from Menshia. Nti sa wo kasa no wan we no ano kopa waso be yeshi men kasa ntia pani ye ball game against Accra folk no later June wo baby ye di June baby ye no e de ye ball sa game no ye ball game ni wie ye no e de beto dwase ye be kwa abuchi but enye Kotoko enye Kotoko na de ne ho kwa abuchi asemu ye no amekan enye Kumasi Asante Kotoko na de ne ho kwa abuchi enti inkrata assembly processing of everything no enye Kotoko na was oye. It was the sports which is parliament, the office of the speaker of parliament, no not democracy cap ne fan no. Then GF4 you involve or to lead. And the tourism ministry also here the organizers of the African City Cup because so Saturday. Now the woman say Kotoko players no, and the boys are mutifie all week. Every day they train, they are playing games, omu tu kwan koha. And physically to get them say they be no mu twa kwan ko Accra for mu visa issues no. Nenya ade e be possible. And to make I say tamani e wo Cape Coast na formation ba say Kotoko. Eko in crime for omo visa process application. And at one time been so no mu Kumasi na omo sa koye. That was the 2 times Kotoko ekoye. Ntina unya Kotoko team ni se tem bia the team ni nja the team no onja adwuma ho enkote na Accra se or purposes. Nti untimi blame Kotoko sa. Omo ana also obudi dwuma no the GF4 no and the tourism ministry and the parliamentary select committee and as a parliamentary office of the speaker of parliament. Ono kra de go betima manwoma is simple kra. If you have time, you have much to plan. What I was a protocol bem Kotoko contingent ni nyina nanka ya edi emomoko. But here's the case, and a back and forth, and a 9 minutes, and I said 11th hour. A fee and a nyoma be ye nipa 7 pe, and then no crown a see nipa 2 abeka Peter Biduakwa, and Delda Saka the eye completed. Into your mom and omutu ako America. Later on, say China, or more Makadi and year ready, or Musu be to China, no Makososo. But somebody and I'm far, a America, Ghana Academy be or home, no Mako pay 2-3 players be also so near good game, we are near Befi. At the Kronja Kotoko near Bro Peso ko game we no. And they say Kotoko is likely to win this year's league again. Now Kotoko winning this year's league now, opportunity besaba. Se Kotoko the following season no obeko abuchire akobo sa game no e kwa akoye anuatin nti Kotoko mpese obelive any bad record, bad precedent for that year munti na moncha no so eno ta Kotoko panyiforo have seen the wisdom in this to honor this game. Then number 2, game no already tickets have been sold. America for your munyoma hero. Your confirm is a game name baswa and ticket. Masha see it. And Ghana I drew a match day the Everton ticket. Online ticket I read I'm out for top me say me Kotoko and over 50% are top tickets. Because this if one omo Omati Asante Kotoko no. Say the greatest football club, the most successful Ghanian football club. It's your person with the Kotoko. It's your they are eager and desperate to meet Kotoko. And Kotoko so when they respect DC for DC United for the Yama Kotoko. Kotoko person obey disappointed DC for once says say a kwakoye ayon kufa can see. Sound the Koboria, then you develop contacts, then you become you begin to build relationship, partnership program, exchange programs. Ebetimi akoso thereof. These are some of the things that Kotoko so emphasis last minute obetri game on akoho akase because of visa issues in the men kobobo. And I think say yente ye penny for na say on that. most of the supporters no say sa visa no players ni nyina nya yam boycott game no eto da bia I say we gina on grounds but enya abre bia so na I say o flex o muzzle omo flex o muzzle in this regard no American embassy for o kan pia enka ekenya bibia enya se nipa ne se o kwa abrochie se o ko bobra na se bibi se no abetwe visa ho nsensem dendenden amano board ne se ekobo ye wi ayaba na ka visa de ba ya pa o de abobo so but America for no ese sa no gusuman no etie the whole world ebze omo na omo country no open visa edi and it is understandable because and I also understand that the whole world omo nso na omo visa application no amanfo apply omo visa pa obi apeso kwa America and the US World Cup na so no nso another contributing factor so the mechoro Kotoko ye heavy which molamti free Kotoko na say call APR on Rwanda no Blasters ye friendly bio but obobo no pa obo so enti asante Kotoko assembly de team no eko yemfa mpa bonta o machi sisi no munam wiem no patutu no mo ye checking e wo Kotoka no mo ye checking se ka se wo ye checking na before so be to kwaya no ye checking e na mo ye nti Kotoko lande ya no me mfoni ni videos bia nsabe ka ebebere but ade ba ko so ha adwo ze Kotoko kwi ade se coach ogum ana se na jaw isa goalkeeper trainer Wilson na uklu omumubi na beda ne cameraman na Kotoko players ni duro matwitwa mfoni no obutwa mfoni na WhatsApp groups ni ade no ye nsabe ka the players ni bi numbers nti yensaka ye beludu agum Ghanian nka full contingent na Kotoko media no YouTube for no ne Kotoko photographers ni nyina di akire but mu nyina ntima ko bi nti zero coach Ogum ne Joseph David Oklo goalkeeper trainer ne ade na jaw nti Kotoko dura na mu nyina amada ne cameraman no mo twitwa videos na ba na ya upload ama Kotoko chitafu nyina so enya bia edio America for visa ba ko mo be twi ni pa musa asem grand